Carl Pei and Nothing Crew are fleshing out a new Nothing experience. The burgeoning ecosystem doesn't have much to offer you won't find anywhere else, but the company CEO is looking to change that. According to a new tweet from Carl Pei, the company is planning to bring some exclusive features for Nothing users. While Nothing has a few years of experience under them and handful of products such as TWS, earbuds, and phone, the company is now launching new stuff. Nothing phone stands apart from the crowd because of the unique hardware, but they need new software to drive it. Alpay posted a tweet on Monday explaining companies thinking of bringing features that only work between Nothing products. The keyword is thinking. He didn't give any specific what the company wants to bring. There is nothing extra that the company can bring in the first case. All they will have to do is copy the seamless transition which Apple products have among themselves, because nothing in Android can match it. If they can do that, that's more than enough. He ended the tweet by asking users if they have family or friends using the Nothing Phone 1 who could use exclusive features. This is a smart move as company gets good idea from the people what people want. So this community is small, so it's easier to read most of the major users comments and wants.